Welcome to Tech AI Vibe. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic email replies in Gmail using templates and filters. This method allows you to send pre-written responses to specific emails automatically. Let's jump right in. First, we need to enable templates in Gmail. Open Gmail and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Select See All Settings, then navigate to the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Templates section and hit Enable. Don't forget to scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Next, let's create an email template for your auto response. Click Compose to open a new email. Type the auto response message you want. Something like, "Thank you for your email. I am currently away and will respond as soon as possible." Click the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. Hover over Templates, then Save Draft as Template, and choose Save as New Template. Give it a name like Auto Reply for selected emails and save it. Now, let's create a filter for those selected emails. Click on the search bar at the top of Gmail, then on the filter icon. Enter your criteria. This could be emails from a specific sender with certain keywords, etc. Click Create Filter. Finally, let's apply the auto response to that filter. In the filter creation window, check the box labeled Send Template. From the drop-down menu, select your saved template. Click Create Filter, and you're done. Your Gmail will now automatically send your pre-written response to any emails that match your filter criteria. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Tech AI Vibe for more IT lessons and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.